So before we part, I had sent you hopefully you got a chance to look at the What's Your Word flyer. So as a small token of appreciation, I always gift all of my guests with a hand stamped token that I stamp individually with a hammer and one letter stamps. And I either put it onto a keychain, a bracelet, it could go on a necklace, anklet, whatever you want. And so I wanted to see if you would be willing to share what your word is and why.
My word is recipe. That is my word for this year. And the why is because I'm making deliberate, intentional decisions about what ingredients belong in my life, what things need to go into my schedule and what don't fit for this season. And I have been making a lot of really hard decisions in the last couple of weeks, cutting things that are not a good fit for me anymore or that are not for this time. And that's been difficult because, you know, as a kind of a people pleaser kind of thing, I did not want to hurt any of my friends or any of those relationships. And fortunately, every single one has received it very well. They've been gracious and understanding and wishing me well. So recipe is my word, like knowing what to put in and what to leave for another time.
You're so smart. You use big words.
Oh, thank you.